Becky, and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to come on and do my Boxycharm unboxing. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Sorry, it's early in the morning, so I have to get my mouth woken up, awake, whatever. All right, this is the April Boxycharm, and I have cut it open, and I did look at the card, but that's it. And so I kind of know what's in here, although that was 3 days ago, so I don't know. I can't remember everything. I just remember one thing, two things. Okay, this month is sweet treats, and of course all the information about Boxycharm will be listed below. They do not know I exist. I buy this box myself. Okay, the first thing we're going to talk about is, of course I knock off something, is the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer, silicone free and cooling effect. Now I like the pore, what is it, the pore, the one that minimizes pores from Touch of Soul. But now this one I don't know about. Of course, that's what it looks like in the jar. I'm just gonna take some off the lid. Now it says there's no silicone, but it sure, I bet there's some kind of, I don't know, the consistency just feels like some kind of silicone or some kind of, let's see, water, glycerin. I guess not. It's got castor oil in it. I love products with castor oil in it. So nope, I don't see no silicone, so I guess it's just that polymer. Polymer number 2 must be what makes it that consistency, if I remember my ingredients correct. Of course it's got glycerin in it too, so that's probably kind of giving that some of that. I'll have to give that a try and see. Now, what I've been using as a primer is the City Beauty Uplifting Serum. It kind of freezes everything. I mean, not 3 months or nothing, but for a few hours, it kind of lifts everything and freezes it. And it's a great primer, if you're interested in it. Of course, my City Beauty code is below. Okay. This is, okay, that primer was, the price of it is $22. Okay, this is, I don't know what it is. Okay, it's a body cleanser. It's the Terra de Mars body cleanser, an organic low foaming aromatic and soft cleanser. I'm sorry, I can't see. I know I need new glasses, but anyway, okay, I'm gonna try it out. Now, I like something that foams, so I'm probably not gonna like this. Of course, I'm dripping everywhere. Let's spray something and see if it gets any lather whatsoever. No. I mean, it feels good, it smells good, it kind of smells like a man. Or else it's me. That's me. I smell like a man. I applied some body oil that's a man's body oil that we used to sell. I don't know what the scent is because the sticker ran off. I think it's the Blue Water. Okay. There's not as many products in here because of what's in here. Okay. This is the Aurora something. I guess it's a liner. Yes, eyeliner pen. Now, I did try this on just to see, because, you know, I love a good ink liner. And I let it sit for a while. It rinsed right off, so it's probably going to smear on me. And I won't like it. I'm just guessing. Can't say that for sure, but that pen is worth $11.99. The body cleanser was $22. And as I said, I may give this to Dave and see if he wants it. or I don't know. I might try it. I just know that I like a lather. Okay, this is one of the things I remembered. This is the Dragon Beauty color corrector. And as you know, Dragon Beauty, or you may not know, is owned by Nikita Dragon. And I don't have any of her products. I mean, I have been tempted with some of her lipsticks, and I can't remember what else. I think she's got a liquid liner that I've thought about. Now, this, of course, is pink. I was thinking it was going to be the orange one that she uses. So let's see if it colors this eyeliner. Okay, there's the eyeliner. Yep. So it might be pretty good. See? We'll let it sit there for a minute. I think I start to see it coming through. I'm starting to see it come through. I can't talk. Okay, and that is $25. And now the last thing, and of course if you've seen pictures on Instagram, whatever, you know what it is. I don't know which color it is. This is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. Now she's been doing several of these mini palettes for Boxycharm. And this one is the one I said I would get, even though it's probably not the one I wanted, but I'm sure it's fine. This is what it looks like. Sorry, I'm blinding you. I don't know about that yellow gold color on me. I think it will just blend into my skin, and it does. It just blends in there, so I'd have to use a white or something. I wanted to see that black. The black looks like velvet, to be honest. I've got some bronzer there. Actually, it's not black, it's blue. Wow. It's pretty, but I can just see it smearing all over my eyes. So it's a good thing I got this Tati blender here, blendable, whatever it is, that I can just wipe stuff off with. All right. Now look at it. You can see the black through it, so it's not going to hide everything. Let's go ahead and swatch this pinky one. I mean, they do feel like velvet. Pretty. Very pretty. I'm not good with swatches. There's that one. That one's pretty. Well, let's just do them all. That, like I said, that one's gonna melt away the yellow one on my skin. Okay, there you go. That's what they look like. Of course, I've got that blue everywhere, but you see the yellow one or the gold one, just, it doesn't do anything for me. Now I'll try to keep it off my shirt because it's on my way to work today. And of course, this is worth, I think, $25. No, she says it's worth $48. I would never pay $48 for it, but it's a nice palette, and I'll give it a try. Okay, the next thing is, was there something else in there? Uh-oh. Or was it that pen? It was that pen. That was it. Okay, the next thing is the Samantha March Ofra collab that I got. This wasn't sent to me, I bought it. And you got a little bit of break with buying the PR kit, but not much since you got the box. Of course, she has a little note for you here. And then you get all this, and then you get a group of stickers. And then you get the Life's a Draft palette and the lip glosses. And this is the palette, and this is what I'm wearing today. I've wore it several days. I am enjoying it. I've got all the colors on today. I didn't go heavy, but I have all the colors on it. I am, like I said, very enjoying the palette. She did a great job on it. This quality is much better than the other Ofra shadow palette I have. Don't know what they done, but they got the formula right this time. So I'll attribute that to Samantha. Okay, this is the lip glosses I've not used. Well, actually, I did take one out. But I applied this Ofra liquid lipstick on. This is Laguna Beach. I do love their liquid lipsticks. I think they are one of the best on the market. If you're going to pay a little more for them, I'll put it that way. I do enjoy the Maybelline ones. I exfoliate my lips on a regular basis, so I have no trouble with the Maybelline. But I understand a couple of you do, but that's my suggestion. If you wear them, exfoliate, and of course, wear a balm. You know, wait till it completely dry and then put on just a light balm and you won't feel as dry. I'm going to use this one. This is Peachy. I'm just going to dot it in the center. They're very nice. Very nice gloss. I know the kit was like $59, and of course you could use her code if you ordered it from Ofra. Now, I don't think that it's in stock on Ofra at this time. I know that Ulta has it, but of course you can't use the code and it's full price. So I would wait for, unless you know, are wanting to gain points at Ulta, you know, then it works out. I don't worry about points anymore. I used to want to be platinum, diamond, whatever it is. I don't care anymore. I don't feel that it's worth, I mean, when I want to buy something, I just buy it. And I don't feel, half the time when I got those 20% off coupons at Ulta, when I was, whatever the $450 one was, I didn't use them. I just didn't use them because I wasn't shopping at that time, and they went to waste. Now, sometimes I would wait, but I just have stopped that buying stuff just because it's on sale. If I don't want it at regular price, then I don't need it when it's on sale. Just the way I feel. I know some people's not that way. That's just the way I feel. Unless I can get something at half price. If it's half price, well, let's say 40%, or it's buy one, get one free, I go for those sales. But anything, if it's just 20%, you know, 25% is getting pretty good, but I don't buy hundreds of dollars of stuff at one time. So buying $50 at a time is not going to save me that much. So anyway, of course, I like being able to get money back at Ulta, and that's what I try to do. But, and I know the more you spend, the more points you get. I know all that. But as I've said, I'm just not going to worry about the points anymore. Life is too short. I just buy what I buy when I want to buy it. So I appreciate all of you for watching. Just so you know, this is third day hair. This is why I do not wash my hair every day, is because I don't like my hair the first day I wash it. It's, I don't know, too lively. Now I've got some of the natural oils going through the ends. I don't have to add any oil to it. So that's why I don't wash my hair every day. I just feel it does it more harm than good for me. I know some people's, now if I had short hair, it'd be a totally different story. If my hair was probably here and up, it'd probably be washed every day, or at least every other day. But at this length, no, not washing it every day. So thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all of you watching and coming by, and please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this box or the Ofra products, and let me know if you're buying anything from the Sephora sale. I like to hear and see what people buy. You know, you may give me an idea. I know I put my idea up on my Instagrams. My idea's up on my Instagram. I can buy right now because it's into VIB, but I haven't bought anything yet. We'll see. We'll see if there, I really do think I want the Luna oil from Sunday Riley. I miss that oil, so I may go ahead and buy that. I don't know. Anyway, thank you again. I will talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.